Alright, let's have a go at installing Factory IO. So I'm on the course home page and I can't get anything to work. There we go. So go to modules. This is my old computer, by the way. It doesn't always work so well. Factory IO licenses and download Factory IO. So that's going to start downloading, and I think it takes a couple minutes. Well, it's saying 4 minutes left, so I'll be back in a couple minutes. The download's complete. That only took maybe 3 minutes. Now, see if it'll install. Put in default directory, keep all the defaults. There it goes. That took probably 5 minutes, maybe a little less, to install. And then when you hit finish, it just closes. Let's go see if we can find it. I don't see it on my desktop, so I'm just going to start typing factory. There it is. And the update checker's blinking. That's because we're on 2.4.0 and I think 2.4.1 just came out, but let's leave the one we have. Now, I'll just open a scene. Control IO. It says it's starting. And there it is. So I've got Control IO, I've got Factory IO. Let's see. And it looks like it's ready to go. And we'll put some things in my, yeah, that's all working. I'll save my changes. And I'll save those changes. So that's kind of weird. It didn't ask me for any license or anything. I don't know why, but try it and see how you make out. Let me know.